first year members, just kindly open the
rest of the MPs are going to only 2. Okay, there are 3.
Let's walk members.
Here that is represented that will also be part of this function, and we also have NRM members of parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, I will now kindly ask the CEO Majestic Brands to come and give a brief introduction and background to this whole event today. Ladies and gentlemen, Remy. Honorable Speaker, the Deputy, Right Honorable Deputy Speaker, the Katikiro, and the Second Deputy Katikiro. A big round of applause. One of those moments in life that I'll always cherish, that I'm standing here as your host. And we normally call ourselves, not MCs, we call ourselves EMREs, Event Management Relay Executives, just so that we sound a bit more posh than the usual.
Ngayagala muyimbire dala mununu ayino mugenyi gwa Abaniriza dala mununu za kogera amongi webale dala mununu za kogera otudde mirembe dala mununu za kogera Katikiro mundabira dala mununu.
Bitiibwa, I know you're very busy, but always create time and come and say a word to us in Parliament. You're always most welcome to that Parliament. That's your Parliament. And I said we are tenants, and we will always welcome you and give you all the courtesies that you will need. I say all this, Saba Sajja Kabaka Awangale, with a gift for my birthday. In my language, we call it amakula. Now, today, members of parliament have also brought amakula for the Kabaka. And we request you to deliver it to the Kabaka. And being a Nalongo, Tenywa and Waiswa have also given me amakula to bring to the Kabaka. The amakula they have brought from Waiswa and Tenywa is just right there in the car. Then the one of the members of parliament will kindly deliver it. Honorable Embuga has it, he will deliver it to you. As we conclude, Bitiibwa, it's not an easy thing to do what you're doing. If it was possible, we would also one day do the same thing. And I want to request my members of parliament that you also get a conviction that the kingdom has. You get a conviction for your constituencies, because for Uganda may be bigger for you. Please get a conviction for your constituencies. Whatever little you can do for your people, let's do whatever we can do for humanity. Let's leave this world better than the way we got it. I want to thank all of you. Thank the members of parliament for coming. Thank the kingdom for receiving us in a very, very special way. And my brother Titi, Right Honorable Titi, you are such a special friend. And we'll be waiting for your letter. We'll support the kingdom.
There was one speech